In this video, I'm going to show you guys how to prune an eggplant. Listen, pruning your plant the right way is not going to hurt the plant. Pruning actually helps promote new growth. It actually speed up the growing process to give you a faster harvest. You get a better airflow, you get less chance of bugs, you get less chance of disease, and overall a healthier plant. If you live in a zone where you only have a couple months, you have to prune. If you do not prune the eggplant could grow many side shoots, which is called the suckers, taking away the energy from the main source and literally growing more leaves than eggplant. So instead of you harvesting, about 20 eggplants for the season, you probably could harvest only 5, because then fall time come and you're out of time. We got about at least over 10 eggplants growing right here, but I just wanted to show you guys real quick. We have no leaves touching the ground right here. We prune out most of the leaf, remove most of the suckers, which I'm going to show you right now how to do all that, but you could see nothing. We got good airflow, good production. Plants are growing really fast, and I got some bamboo, 4 feet bamboo stakes. 4 feet, 5 feet is perfect enough to tie the plants. You really need to tie it up and support it. Eggplants are heavy. This is our eggplant growing over here. Never pruned before. It's about at least 1 feet in height. So I'm going to show you real quick. This is our main stem. You see how it's thick right there? That's our main stem. This is our leaf right here. Between the leaf and the main stem, this part right here is the extra growth point, these suckers. Just like a tomato or a cucumber plant, this could produce more eggplant later on if you leave it to grow. But if we have a short garden season, you want to remove this. Listen, if this grow, it's going to grow into a new whole eggplant. Take away the energy from the side, from the main source here. So we don't want the energy to take away from the lower point, because then you have to support this, takes away energy and slow down the growing process from the whole eggplant. We want this eggplant to reach out about at least 3-4 feet. Now, lots of side shoots are going to grow on an eggplant. So if you remove 1 or 2, it only helps it. Then we got some lower leaves. We don't need this lower leaves. So this is just going to take away the energy from the plant, and we don't want it. So now what we're going to do, we're going to remove 1. We have another one here. Remove 2. We have another one. 3, right? This is our main growing point right here, and you can see we have another one there. I advise you guys to remove at least 1 feet. At least 1 feet is good enough. And then we have, look, we have 1 leaf, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and we got a new one's gonna grow there. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna remove this one lower one right there. Look at this, how clean it is right here. We could water, we could add fertilizer, bees could come in and pollinate. Nothing is blocking our plant. Nothing is blocking anything. So right now, this here will speed up the growing process, giving us a chance to get a faster harvest in a faster time. Then grab yourself a 4 feet bamboo stake or something, and then what you could do, put it about 3 inches away from the plant. Listen, if you guys have 2, put 2 is better to hold up the plant. Now, if you want, you could prune, remove the sucker 2 feet high, and then you could get, that's halfway from the plant. The plant will grow about 4 feet. So you could remove about 2 feet. But if you want more eggplant and you have enough time, just remove 1 feet. Just remove a couple. And look at this. This will grow fast. Within a couple days, you're going to see how this is going to shoot up really fast. So leaf, put it in your compost pile. Off, tie or string or whatever, and tie always from the main stem. You're going to tie at least about right here. We're going to start tying 1 here, and about another 6 inches. You're going to keep tying as the plant growing. If you're growing eggplants in a container, use at least an 8-gallon to 10-gallon or bigger container. You need to get more space for eggplant. If you're growing in a container too, you have to add more water. You have to water every single day if it's like 90 degrees plus, or you could water every 1 to 2 days. Containers need it. In a raised bed, you could water every 2 to 3 days, because same thing like in ground, the roots are more wider and could reach source from a far distance. Overall, pruning helps a lot. It does not hurt the plant, just don't prune too much. But if you're afraid, remove at least 2 lower leaves, remove about 2-3 suckers, and you're gonna get a healthier plant, a faster production, and overall you're gonna get some harvest coming before fall time come. All right, any question, comment below. I just want to make this video really fast. It's getting hot out here right now. Thank you so much for watching GreenTGarden, and please, if you did not subscribe to my channel, please take the time to click the red subscribe button followed by the bell icon. It's free, and I do appreciate it, you helping out my channel. We get to reach more people, and this way we could all grow a better home garden together. And I do appreciate everyone who has been sharing their amazing garden experience and knowledge with us.